Hey guys, so this is your first at-home distance learning science lesson, and it is about shadows. It is very similar to a lab that we did at school, but we did it in the classroom, and this time you'll get to do it outside or on a windowsill. Just make sure you are checking the day and if it's going to be raining or not sunny or anything before you decide to do it that day. So the shadows lessons. You're going to observe changes to shadows. The essential question, what we're focusing on, is how would you test the sun's effect on a shadow? So we're talking about the placement of the sun. Okay, so what you're going to need some type of like cylinder object, like a water bottle, a can, like one of those dowel rods, anything like that. You're going to need pencil or a pen, chalk, something to mark where you're going to put your object. So you put it in the same place, just like we did with those stacking cubes. We put the little X so that way we would keep it in the same spot every time. So you can do this inside on a windowsill and put like a sticky note down and put something on top of it. Or you can go outside in your driveway and on chalk mark a little spot and then measure your shadow. You're going to need a ruler as well. And then the shadows page that was on the handout. And that shadows page is also in Google Classroom under classwork tabs, just like it said in the slides where you clicked on this video. And you can either print that and take a picture of it and upload it, or you can just type right in it on your Chromebook. Okay, so you're going to measure and record the length of your object's shadow 3 times during the day. So you're going to draw a picture or insert an image in the columns right over here. So, shadows. So the time of day, so you're going to do one in the morning, one midday, one afternoon, and make sure you put the correct times. Make sure they're at least 3 hours apart to get a good difference in the shadows. So you can do it at like 9, 12, and 3. And then the length of shadows, and this one says in inches. So this is just a picture, so you can have like the little rod or cylinder object, put a little mark here, and then there's a shadow, and they're just tracing the shadow. That way they can get a good measure afterwards, and they're marking it. Okay, so whenever you're finished with this, you're just going to turn it in to Google Classroom, and I'll have more instructions on that on Google Classroom. Okay guys, so after you're done, that's your science lesson for the week. Miss you guys.